Hey, my name is Matt Young. I'll start out with question one. Which parts of the tech stack are you most familiar with? So, I've actually been using TypeScript, React, and Material UI for a little over 3 years to build the front ends of web applications. I've been a full stack developer for a little over 4 years. Least experience with Express and AWS. I've never used Express before. I've used AWS a little bit. I taught myself some AWS. I don't know, maybe 9 months ago or so. I had fun with it, but I didn't spend a lot of time with it. Staying up to date with current technologies, I do this mostly just through the process of work. I've been working as a full stack developer, like I said, for a little over 4 years. So I end up just building a lot of different things. And whenever I start a new project or start a new piece of a project, I always research, try to find the best way to do that. And so I find new frameworks and technologies sort of constantly through just the process of doing my job. Latest technologies that I got really excited about was a framework called BitTensor. It's a distributed incentive network built with Python. I got really excited about it because it is a distributed system. I love distributed systems. I did my master's degree in a big data and distributed systems lab. And I have used it extensively, actually. So that kind of ties into number three, most impressive thing I've built. For my current job, I built a BitTensor subnet called NextPlace AI. It's a distributed system with 256 nodes and two node types, miners and validators. The validator node contacts the Redfin API and gets data for on-market homes and sends it using a protobuf-based networking protocol to the miners, who then inference machine learning models on that data to produce valuations for those homes. And they respond with those valuations to the validators, who store them. And then, twice a day, I spin up another thread on the validator that contacts a different endpoint from Redfin and gets data on recently sold homes. I run a join across the recently sold homes and the predictions to find the set of scorable predictions and basically rank miners using a distance function. The thing that I think is really cool about this project is on top of this subnet, I build a data layer, basically. So this is a layer of data that has the ranks of the miners and their predictions. And on top of that data layer, I've built a home buying platform that's sort of similar to Zillow that allows subnet miners to go through, browse homes in different markets using a map, and then see the valuations for those homes according to the top subnet miners. And those valuations are provably a lot better than Zillow's estimate. If I had unlimited time, what would I build? I would build a water quality analysis and visualization system. I did a little bit of work with this for my master's thesis, but I didn't really have time to finish it. And I've learned so much since then that I would love to finish that project, sort of start from fresh and build out the feature set a lot and make sure that the data is more available in urban and residential areas, so people can see, time series analysis and just data about what contaminants are in their drinking water, their, natural water bodies, rivers and streams near them, etc. Something I strongly disagree with in how most developers work today. I've had a lot of coworkers in the past, and I have some now, who rely on AI way too much to write their code. And it makes me sad, honestly. I love the process of software design and engineering so much. And I feel like these people are really selling themselves short, and I feel like their systems just aren't very robust. I don't think they're very reliable or maintainable, because at the end of the day, the people who are responsible for writing them and maintaining them didn't really write the code, so they don't really know how to keep it up to date and add new features. I could start as early as tomorrow. So thanks so much. I'm really excited about this job app, so I hope to hear back from you.